Hi everyone, this is Rose James with you. Do subscribe to my channel Radiant Learning. Let's reflect upon some extra question and answers of the poem The Letter A, written by Christy Brown. Question number 1. Write a character sketch of Christie's mother. She was a patient woman who, in the face of all obstacles and discouragement, swam against the current. She patiently waited for him to write the letter A, even when he was bound to give up his attempt. She was a courageous person who never lost hope in the boy when he showed no sign of response, in spite of her repeated attempt to make him react to her persuasive queries. Filled by true motherly love, she tried to take care of him by herself. She was a dedicated teacher who would spend hours to teach him by showing him pictures of animals and flowers and ask him to repeat them after her. She was a staunch person who rebuked her relatives' idea of sending him to an institution and resolved to prove that her son was not mentally retarded. She was a pious lady who prayed for some miracle in the life of her son. Question number 2. How did writing the letter A was a path to a new world? The letter A, written on the floor with a broken bit of yellow chalk gripped between his toes, was a great revelation. This had opened the road to mental freedom. He would now express his desires and thoughts through words, as written words are more lasting than spoken words. It was to provide a source of relaxation to the tense, torn thing that he was, which panted for expression behind a twisted mouth. Thus he was able to break the wall between him and other people through the medium of written words. Question number 3. How did Christie feel before writing the letter A? He felt miserable, lonely, imprisoned in a world of his own, unable to communicate with others, cut off, separated from them as though a glass wall stood between his existence and theirs, thrusting him beyond the sphere of their lives and activities. He longed to run about and play with the rest, but he was unable to break loose from his own bondage. He felt terrible as he wouldn't move a single part of his body even to acknowledge something. Question number 4. Write a character sketch of Christie. He was a brave boy. He never gave up even though his condition was frustrating and sad. He did find the situation at times miserable and unbearable, but he faced every challenge with determination. He loved his mother immensely, as he would see her working really hard to educate and cater to his needs. He was an intelligent and focused boy, which helped him to do the intense activity of writing the letter A. He was an observant boy who very clearly noted the attitude of the relatives towards him. Writing with the help of toes wasn't an easy task for him, but he was a hard-working boy who practiced rigorously and learned to write, type, and paint too.